Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorials. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin itong mineralogy. Okay? Okay. So again, this is one of the topic under the engineering geology. So makikita natin no, na very obvious itong mineralogy. We have the word mineral and we have the word study of no, for logy. No? So kumbaga, yung mineralogy is just basically study of minerals. So, mineral, no, it is naturally occurring solid homogeneous substance which has definite chemical composition and a definite atomic structure which is formed by inorganic process in nature called as mineral. So, kumbaga, meron tayong tatlong component no, to be considered as mineral. Now, the first one, it should be naturally occurring, so it should be natural. Okay. The next one is it should have a definite chemical composition and atomic structure. Okay? It should be definite, no? Like, well-defined yung composition niya tsaka yung mga atoms nun. Okay? And the third one, it should be formed by inorganic process. So, hindi organic, it should be inorganic process. And that's the time we can call that one as mineral. So, minerals, meron yang dalawang types. No? We have the rock-forming minerals and we have the ore-forming minerals. So, if we say rock-forming, yan. Rock-forming minerals that is found in abundance in the rock. It is classified into two groups. We have the primary minerals and we have the secondary minerals. Okay. So, kumbaga, meron tayong uh, is, so, meron tayo ditong dalawang types naman ng rock forming. No? We have the primary and we have the secondary. Okay. If you say primary minerals, those which form directly from the solidification of magma or lava, no? Also called as the pyrogenetic minerals. Okay? So, it is divided into two groups. We have the essential minerals and we have the accessory minerals. So, kumbaga, itong primary mineral, meron tong two groups. We have the essential and accessory. No? So, if it talks about essential minerals have been used in the definition of the rock. Example, we have the granite, the quartz, the feldspar, the olivine. So, kumbaga, meron tong um, parang example of essential minerals, these are granite, quartz, feldspar, and olivine. So, if we take a look dito, ano yung itsura ng granite na. So, ito yan, ha? Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So, that's granite, na? Next is yung quartz, no? So, yung quartz naman, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. And then, itong feldspar, no? So, we have the orthoclase. Ayan, orthoclase feldspar. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan, no? And then, we have also a plagioclase feldspar. Ayan. So, ito naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. Okay? And then, yung olivine, ito. No? So, ito naman yung olivine. Ano, parang mabasa niya, olivine or olivine. Anyway, So, yun yung mga essential minerals. So, how about the accessory mineral now? So, if you talk about accessory minerals, it is one whose presence or absence does not change the definition of rock. No? So, those are accessory mineral. Example, we have the zircon, the spine, and the apatite. Okay? So, these are examples. So, let's take a look. Ano yung may tsura nito? So, we have this one for the zircon. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, no? So, yan yung itsura niya. Then, we have the spine. Ayan, so yung itsura niya. Ayan, no? Okay, so maganda din yung ganito, no? Para at least alam natin, no? Nakikita natin, no? Ano yung mga itsura nila, no? In a 3D model. And then, we have this apatite, no? Ayan. Okay. Ayan, no? So, yun yun, no? Yung mga accessory minerals. So, yung secondary naman, so if we say secondary minerals, it is formed by the alteration of the primary minerals, so formed due to withering or circulation of the natural solution. So example of that is we have this amygdaloidal basalt. Okay, example of that is the amygdaloidal basalt. Ano yung itsura nito? No? So let's take a look. Ayan. Ha? So ito yung amygdaloidal basalt. Yan yung itsura niya. So medyo ano siya na nabato, no? Medyo black. Kasi yung basalt is an igneous rock. Eh. Ganun din yung granite, no? So, yan yung itsura nung amygdaloidal basalt. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait lang. So, another, we have the halite, then the pyroxene, and then we have the gypsum. No? Amphibols, limonite, biotite, hematite, muscovite, calcite, and etc. So, pwede nating tignan din ito. No? Oops, sorry for this. Ayan. So, ito na yung kanina. Next is yung halite. Ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura nung ayan. And next, itong pyroxene. Ayan. Ayan naman yung itsura niya. Next is yung gypsum. Ayan naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. Puti. No? White. We have also the amphibold, no? And so black yan na ba to, no? And we have also the limonite, no? So yan na ba to? Okay? So yan yung limonite. Then we have the biotite, no? Ayan. We have the hematite. Ayan. So yan naman yung itsura. Yan ha. So at least nakikita natin ano yung mga itsura ng mga mineral na to. Next is muscovite na. Ayan. Bayaan mo na yun, pagbabasa ko ng mineral. No? Hindi ko na research kung paano basahin ng tama yan. No? Anyway, inato na lang good. No? Inato na. Ayan. Next is the calcite. Yan. So, yan naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. Okay? So, that's it no, for secondary minerals. Next is we have this ore-forming mineral. No? So, for the ore-forming mineral, so if you see ore-forming, so those that are valuable and economical to extract such as aluminum, copper, iron, lead, or tin. No? So, yun yung mga ore-forming. No? So, kumbaga valuable siya, tsaka um, economical. No? So, kumbaga may pera. No? So, minerals that can be used to obtain the metal profitability. Yan, ha? So, maka-profit ka pag mga ito. Most metals are extracted from rocks. So, example of that, we have the heesite, calvalerite, pitzite, and krennerite. Yan. So, these are the example of ore-forming minerals. So, let's take a look kung ano yung mga itsura nito. Ayan, ito yung heesite. Yan. So, ito naman yung cavalerite. Yan. We have this pitzite. Yan. So, parang may mga ano siya, may mga dark spots na. Medyo braided din pala siya. No? And then we have this yun, ano siya, banded na. Krennerite, yan. So, ito yung bato na mapagkukunan natin ng gold. Okay? Krennerite. So, yan yung itsura niya. So, dito tayo nag-extract ng gold. So, makikita mo yan dito, no? May mga sobrang dilaw dito na part niya. Yan. Yan may dilaw yan. Yan, no? So, gold yun, no? Okay? So, yan, gold yan. Tsaka yan, no? Mga gold yan, yung sobrang dilaw. Gold yan. No? So, dyan natin i-extract sa crinierite yung mga gold. Gold. Okay? So, I think that's it, no? So, for um, minerals. Okay? So, see you in the next video. Thank you.